Hi everyone, it's Miss O'Neill with Henniker High School, and I will be helping you throughout the summer in your Canvas courses. One of the things that this video is going to introduce is how to access your Canvas courses and also how to send messages via Canvas. So the first thing you're going to be looking for is your Google Chrome online browser. Firefox and Internet Explorer work as well, but the best and most compatible is your Google Chrome. And when you first open a browser, especially if you are not on a district computer, it's not going to automatically open up to Syracuse City Schools webpage. So if you click on the little web browser section, you can type it in scsd.us and it will take you to the Syracuse City homepage. And you're going to scroll down till you find the blue box that says Library. Canvas is hidden inside of Clever. Yes, there's a spot up here, but that's always not necessarily a good connection. Sometimes it times out, so Clever is the best option for you. So you're going to click on Clever from the left-hand side, and it's going to ask you to log in with your Active Directory. And what that just means is the username and password that you would usually use to log into a library computer or any computer at school, this is what you're going to be using here. So your username is going to be the same. The slight difference, though, is you need to put scsd.us at the end of it before you go and click sign in. Your password is going to remain the same, whatever it is, and you're going to click sign in. When you first sign in, it's going to bring you to the Clever homepage, which is all these different kinds of applications that you have listed here. You are looking for the Canvas icon. In the student view, it may be a red box with this white circle filled inside of it. And if you look underneath, it should say Canvas. Okay? When you click on it, it's going to bring you to your Canvas dashboard, which will contain all of the courses that you are enrolled in for summer school. If you feel like there might be an error, or in some cases you might be missing a course that you know you need to take, please make sure you're reaching out, and I will touch base with the guidance counselor for summer school and figure out what is going on with that, okay? Once you are in your dashboard, there are some courses that are requiring you to click on the course and complete a week 1 assignment. It could be something as simple as posting to a discussion post, or some of them have you responding to specific questions that they have in their courses. So make sure you're checking your courses and trying to figure out what it is that I need to do to show that I've logged into Canvas and I've accomplished what I've needed to do. So in terms of the second portion of this video is how to send an email. If you click on the inbox on the left-hand side, it's going to bring you to your section. You're going to click on the little pen and paper icon, and you have a choice of selecting courses. You might have to hover over favorite courses, and I've got tons. You should only have a few depending on how many you have to make up. And whatever the course is that you need to go and click on, you're going to click on it. So let's say I want to send an email to the Sandbox. You can click here, and it will pop up with people that you can email. For example, you can email me directly. Or you can also click here and you could type the person's name if you know their name. Subject is just a headliner in terms of what it is that you're trying to grab the attention. So if you're trying to go and confirm that you have logged into Canvas, you can just type in I'm in. And then down here you would go and type in your response. Make sure to always end it with your name. And if you need to attach anything, you have that option as well. And you would just hit send. Okay? If you want to double check that it was sent, you can click on your sent section and it will show you all of the different names that you have. Okay? So this is Canvas. Take the time, especially this week, to just focus in on logging into Canvas and exploring your courses. If you don't remember your login information, please reach out to me. You can do so via Facebook, my cell phone, or you can go and email me and we will talk then. All right? Hope everyone is good.